Hi students, welcome to our channel Children's Campus 365 Days. Today we are going to learn in fast matrix one very easy trick, how to multiply two-digit number up to 100. Now normally in your daily life you have to multiply two-digit numbers and you find it very difficult and you may take more time. It is not that it is difficult that you can't solve this problem, but when you learn these tricks you can do these problems easily and in fraction of seconds. So watch this video so that we can understand these tricks. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that whenever we upload any videos related to math tricks, you will be getting a notification related to that. Okay, let us now start the problem. Now, how to multiply two-digit number up to 100. So first of all, let us see one example. I'll tell you very easy, simple problem so that later you can learn the other things. 21 into 31. So how are we going to multiply this one? So understand my two simple steps here. So when you are getting like this two-digit numbers, first what you do, 21 into 31, along with that again write 2 times 21 into 31. So first model is you have to cross multiply here. So again you have to take this step like this. So now what we are trying to do, so this is 3 2s are 6, okay, and 1 1s are 1. So we are going to write like this. Next, 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. So 3 plus 2 will be 5, and now we are going to write this 5 here. So what is our answer? It will be around 6 5 1. Okay. So 21 into 31 will be 6 5 1. Okay. Let us try to solve another problem. 53 into 31. Okay. So again what we have to do here? 53 into 31. Again 53 into 31. So you are writing cross again. So like this. So now what we have to do? 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3. So what is this now here? 5 1s are 5 and 3 3s are 9. So what will come? 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So this 14 we can't write here because we have to get only one digit here. So what we are trying to do? 4 we are going to write it here and 1 we are trying to borrow here. Now the answer will be 1643. Okay? Fine. So now let us solve these three problems. 53 into 21, 82 into 51, 22 into 32. So what we are trying to do here now, as I told you, always remember two steps I told. One is 53 into 21. So this is one model. Second step is again 53 into 21. This one. Correct? So now what we have to do? First we have to multiply this one. So 5 2s are 10. Leave one digit here and then 3 1s are 3. Right? Now we need to get one digit here, right? So what you are going to do now? 5 1s are 5 plus 3 2s are 6. So add these two things. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. So you are writing here 1 and you are borrowing 1 here. So that will become 11 13. So this will be the answer. 1 1 1 3. So let us now solve the second one. So we have even other slowly when you practice, you don't need to do write these two steps. You have to practice in a different way. So, but it is new for you. I am telling this method for you. So, 82 into 51. So what I told you? 82 into 51 and 82 into 51. 1. We are going to write like this. Now, like this and like this. So what we have to do? 5 eggs are 40 and 2 ones are 2, right? Now what we have to do? 8 ones are 8, 5 twos are 10. So that becomes 8 ones are 8 and 5 twos are 10. So we get here 18. So what we are trying to do here? We are writing the 8 here and borrowing 1 here. So 41, 82. So this will be the answer. So 41, 82. Now what will be the third one? So let us try to solve the third one. So 22 into 32. So what we have to do? 22 into 32, 22 into 32. Do it fast. So like this and like this. So first we have to do the cross one. 3 twos are 6 and leave one digit here. Now 2 twos are 4. Now what we have to do here? So 2 twos are 4 and 3 twos are 6. Now we got 10. We are going to write here 0 and we are going to write here 1. That will become 704. So 704. So these are the answers to try to do now and practice it. So it becomes very easy. So these are the speed methods where you have to learn how to multiply 2-digit numbers. Okay? So now let us solve some more problems. Okay? So 61 into 34. You take any numbers actually. You can try of your own. 78 into 31, or you can write 43 into 23. Okay? So let us solve these problems. So what we have to do? As I told you, 61 into 34 and 61 into 34, right? So first we have to do cross. So what we have to do? So tell me students, what we have to do now? So first we are trying to do 6 into 3 and 1 into 4. So what we are going to do? 6 3s are 18 and 1 4s are 4. We have to leave one digit here. Now what we have to do here? So 6 4s are 24 plus 1 3s are 3. So what is this coming? So 24, 25, 26, 27. So we are getting 27 here. So write here 7 and you can keep it here 2. So 4, 7, 20, that is 2074. Okay? So now let us solve this problem. 78 into 31. Okay? 78 into 31. So we can do like this and like this. So 7 3s are 21 and 8 1s are 8. So now what we have to do? 7 into 3, we have done multiplication, right? Now we have to do 7 into 1. That is 7 and 8 3s are 24. So add it. So 24 plus 7. So what we are going to get? 24 plus 7. So we are going to get 31. Right? So 31 we are getting. So what we are trying to do? 1 we are going to write it here and 3 we have to add it here. So 21 plus 3, it comes to 2418. So you don't need to have this step here. So straightforward. 2, 4, 1. So once you do practice in the method I told, you don't need to write those 2 steps here. So again, now let us do 43 into 23. So you can think this in brain now. Try to think in brain. So 4 into 2, that is equal to 4 2s are 8, and then 3 3s are 9. So 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9. So we are writing 9 here. Now what we have to do? Now what we have to do is simple. We have to do the addition for this digit number what we have to get, right? So 4 3s are 12 and 3 2s are 6. So 4 3s are 12 plus 3 2s are 6. How much it is getting? So it is 18 here. So we are writing it 8 here, and 1 it comes here. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So 989. Okay? You cross check the answers, you will get. So it is so easy and a fast method. So if you practice this method, you can score very good marks in your maths exams. So students, we hope that this video is very much useful. So practice at your home so you can understand this multiplication of 2-digit numbers up to 100 in a fast method. Okay? So learn this fast maths tricks. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.